Alright guys, so today I want to talk about another product that I've kind of been needing for our house, and that's to do with our KitchenAid mixer. So cooking at home a lot, we often use KitchenAid mixer, and I kind of have one of the paddles that goes with it. You can tell by the end of it that it has been well used and well loved in our KitchenAid mixer, but there was always one problem with it, is that as this thing is spinning around in the bowl, you end up with these big gaps in your bowl on the sides that you have to use a spatula or something else and scrape it down, which is not a problem if you're making cookie dough and you can just scrape it down, then lick the bowl or lick the spatula. But with some of the other things, you don't really want to go licking powder or flour and stuff. Anyway, so the item that I have for you today is called it's by KitchPower. It's a tilt head flex edge beater, and you can kind of tell here on the edge, it looks very similar to the other one, but on this edge of it, it has a silicone part. So we're going to take this out of its package. Okay, so you can see how this compares, and what we're going to do is check them out together. Okay, and one of the important things, okay, size-wise, and you can see how much difference and overlap there is, right? Okay, so they're relatively the same size, except for that little overlap, just that little bit, is going to be enough to keep those sides on. Now this is flexible, and you can see the bend in it. Okay, so you know that it's not going to be so stiff that it's going to seize up your KitchenAid mixer. It's not going to put it in a bind, and especially if you spray your bowl with some cooking spray, you'll definitely make sure that this helps to get everything in there. Not bad, and you can tell it's got the same interior locking design that the KitchenAid mixer has. It does boast a 1-year warranty with the product and has a whole list of compatible KitchenAid mixers that it works with. Anyway, if you've been looking for something like this, then check it out in the description below. Enjoy.